Hello guys, this is Benji FX and welcome to another day, another video. So I was talking about me reflecting on my journey this year. This year I started with a profile. Unfortunately I blew it. That was around September. But it really taught me that I really knew that it was not about the risk management. It's the strategy because I did not blow the account since December down to September until I reached their maximum drawdown. So that's when I filled the account actually. If I was a bad trader, that means actually I've even built the account since January because I can see some YouTube guys, I can see some people, because I can see so many people like they'll get the account this month under 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they already built the account. And here I am like 9 months before I meet the maximum drawdown. So I the account for so I discovered that it's not about risk management, my risk management, my discipline, everything is there. Only that the strategy is not there. That is the only issue I know I have. So what will I do? I have to work on my strategy. So around that time I was learning from ICT actually. So I was learning this 2016, 2017 because what really get me interested in ICT was this 2022 mentorship. It was really, really okay. Like, so someone can really use some things to really navigate the daily bias. I discovered that it was easy for him, but it was not easy for me. I have to put in the work, put in. But this year I was putting in the work, but it was not good enough. So around January, February, I would never thought that I can really get to the stage I am this December because this December I really figured out my own strategy. I know on set just a little bit of a refinement, but apart from that, I think I've really gotten my own strategy, my own system that I'm using for now. Just may just be a little bit of refinement, but because that's how the market is. As the market adjusts, you adjust with it. So October, I was trading my demo account, just fixing 1%. I made a profit about 11%. So I thought I've arrived. So I went to deposit and I deposit a $10 account. Where I deposit $10 a month. I deposit to a broker. Then November came, then I was taking losses upon losses upon losses upon losses. Like I was just like, what's happening? I took loss. So but yeah, at the end I was saying minus $3 drawdown. On my demo account I was breaking actually. So then, coming to this December, first week, second week, I took a lot of losses. Like, I blew the account. I went on a drawdown. So I was just like, what is happening? What is happening? I went back to my charts. I checked it. I now discovered that I was really missing. There was a things because I think I've arrived. I have left so many things, and I now focus on the first one. And I left what brought me here. So the new knowledge I got, that was when I was using, and I didn't know that it's a combination of everything. I discovered that okay, then I started implementing it back. So unfortunately, I blew my account. I was very thankful that I went back to my charts and I started looking at what happens. And I was still entering with 1% in my demo account. No matter people say demo is not what you should be trading, you should be trading your real account. I know fine, but if you are following your risk management and everything, I think demo is also good to trade because no matter you're making a profit, but if you're trading it as a real account, because I was just risking 1% in every of my trade just to see it. It's not that I was entering like 10 position, 20 or 50 position. No, I was entering 1% every of my trade. If I take a loss, it would be where I was taking a loss. It would be I was not trying to navigate anything. I know that money was not really there, like the emotional attachment, money attachment was not really there, the emotion was not really there. But if you're treating your demo account as if you're trading your life account, I think it will really make sense because when you try trading real money, it will be like the same thing because it has been the same thing you have been looking over and over again. Money attachment may be there, but it's what you've been saying in the chat, just another thing, just money difference. So you just have to look for your money difference, right? So when I went back to look at my chart, I discovered that hey, where I have sold bias, I later went back and be like, if I've followed all these things I've learned, then I will have avoided this loss. I will have taken this swing. That really makes me then I feel like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back from January till December. I'm gonna look at just the daily time frame and start looking at the way I usually, the way I will have entered a trade or the way I will have participated for a bias. And I started looking at that, and it really makes sense. And unfortunately, last week or last 2 weeks, wasn't actually FOMC, and that was when I need all the money back. I because looking at my chart, I learned another risk management, my own risk management personally. I learned the way I should approach markets personally, what I should have been avoiding. My losses really shaped me, and it makes a lot of sense to me actually. So that's been my journey actually. Next year we're going full in because now I think I'm confident in my own trading model, not the trading in my own trading model. I'm confident in my own system, and yeah, I'll see you 2025.